Imagine a world where your business software works seamlessly. Welcome to Books365 All-in-One Advanced ERP. Books365 Applications leverages .NET Core 9.0, revolutionizing enterprise applications. Let's explore the numerous advantages it offers your organization. First, think about cross-platform compatibility. Books365 applications run on Windows, macOS, and Linux. This flexibility broadens your hosting options immensely. Whether in the cloud or on-premise, you can manage your business effectively. Next, consider the database support. Books365 Applications accommodates MS SQL Server, Azure SQL, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. This range provides optimized performance for various business needs. You can choose the best database that fits your requirements. Now let's talk about performance and scalability. Asynchronous requests and processes optimize resource usage. This means your applications can handle high demands without slowing down. As your data grows, Books365 Applications scales up, meeting increasing business needs. Moving on, cloud-native development is crucial today. Books365 applications are built on microservices supporting containerization. This allows seamless deployment on cloud platforms. You can manage your applications effortlessly in the cloud. Security cannot be overlooked. Books of Applications incorporates robust security features. Built-in authentication and authorization protect your vital data. Your enterprise information stays safe from threats and unauthorized access. The architecture of Books365 Applications is lightweight and modular. This design simplifies development, maintenance, and updates. You save time and costs, allowing you to focus on growth. Let's enhance developer productivity. Books365 Applications development using Visual Studio and AI-powered code suggestions. These tools help developers work more efficiently. You can streamline processes and accelerate project timelines. Integration with the Microsoft ecosystem amplifies the benefits. With smooth connections to SQL Server, Azure, and MS Office, you maximize your existing investments. Your systems communicate effortlessly to improve workflows. Modern technologies support is essential for innovation. Books365 API works seamlessly with frameworks like Angular and React. You can create connected applications with the latest tools available. Long-term stability is important for any enterprise solution. Microsoft's commitment to .NET Core guarantees regular updates. This ensures that Books365 applications remain reliable and future-proof. Finally, let's discuss cost efficiency. By enhancing performance and reducing maintenance, Books365 saves you money. A robust ERP solution should not break the bank. In summary, .NET Core 9.0 empowers Books all-in-one Advanced ERP. You gain cross-platform capabilities, high performance, and significant security. Books applications can function independently or as an interconnected suite of applications tailored to your needs. Are you ready to leverage Books365 applications for your enterprise management needs? Visit our website or contact us today at start@books365.in to learn more.